today we're making sparkly clear slime, and I'm going to teach you guys how to make it. So you're going to need some borax, Elmer's clear glue, and this is optional, but you can use some glitter. And you need 2 bowls, one big, one small, cup of water. And you need a teaspoon, a tablespoon, and something to mix with. Okay, so first you're going to need to get 1 teaspoon of borax and put it in the small bowl. Now you're going to get 3 tablespoons of room temperature water and mix it in. Just mix that so it dissolves. Set that aside and then get the next bowl and then squeeze all the glue into there. So now you're going to fill the glue bottle with water, put the lid on, and then shake it up. Open it up and add it to the glue. Now you're going to add the glitter and stir. Add the borax mixture and keep stirring. Now we're gonna get our hands dirty. Just knead it. It's sticking to my hands a lot, so let's try to put some laundry detergent and see if it can save the day. We put a lot more glue and water, and it got better because it was too hard. It came out a lot harder than we expected, but you guys should try it.